Living with chronic pain or a history of trauma can feel like a full-time job. Managing flare-ups, sorting medications, doctor's appointments, this can all have an impact on your nervous system, causing you to feel stress and anxiety. Here are 3 daily mindfulness practices you can use for pain and anxiety. Mindfulness meditations can do wonders to keep you in the present moment. Practicing mindfulness allows you to tune into your body without expectation or judgment, allowing whatever is there to arise. Pain reprocessing therapy uses a form of mindfulness called somatic tracking, where you tune into your pain with gentle curiosity. See links below in the description for somatic tracking exercises to try. Spending time in nature is so calming and relaxing for both the body and the mind. Spending time in nature can help decrease feelings of anxiety, stress, and depression, helping you cope with the harder times in your day-to-day life. Ideally, you can get outside in nature for 20 minutes at a time, but even a few minutes can have great lasting benefits. Exercise. Exercise can be a hard one, especially if you don't feel safe in your body or you live with chronic pain. The good news is that any type of movement is beneficial, no matter what kind. Find something you enjoy doing, even for short periods. My YouTube channel is filled with many different gentle movement practices. Have a peek and see if any feel enjoyable for you. Want more tailored support? See the description below for links to all my support options. My Insight Timer has a variety of meditations and courses. My website has free resources, a paid course to help you with chronic pain, and many informational blog posts. You don't have to heal alone.